Okay, well students, we continue problems based on continuity of function. It's perhaps class number 35. I don't know which question number is going on at present. You please make that arrangement from your side. Next problem, under continuity of function type. Determine the continuity of function. Determine the continuity of function. Determine the continuity of the function. F of x equals to, like in the last two problems, here also we have three values of function. First one 2x, second one 0, third one 4x. 2x if x less than 0, 0 if 0 less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 1, and 4x if x greater than 1. Usually in such problems you will not be mentioned at which points you have to discuss continuity of function. Already I informed that idea. Here the points to be chosen from equality and also where we can get LHL and RHL. So points are x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. At these points only we have to discuss continuity of this function. First write one information that the possible points are x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. So because of 2 points are provided, we have to solve in two cases for continuity of function. Case 1. Case 1, when or at x equal to 0. So here a equals to 0. Means in this case a equal to 0. According to that, let's find f of a, that is f of 0, that is equal to now. Where x equal to 0 holds, refer that value. Here x equal to 0 holds. For that correspondingly function value is 0, means f of 0 equal to 0. Let us find left hand limit and right hand limit. Now left hand limit extending to 0 minus f of x. 0 minus means less than 0. When x less than 0, function is 2x. That is limit extending to 0, 2x. Replace x by 0. On replacing x by 0, value is 0. This is left hand limit. We also find right hand limit. Right hand limit is equal to limit extending to 0 plus f of x. That is limit extending to 0. 0 plus means more than 0. Here we can observe x more than 0. When x more than 0, function value is 0. And further, limit of 0, limit of constant is constant. In particular, limit of 0 is 0. So this is RHL. what we can observe is that f of 0 equal to left hand limit equal to right hand limit. Consequently, given function is continuous at x equal to 0. Since f of 0 equal to left hand limit equal to right hand limit, therefore fx is continuous at x equal to 0. Therefore, fx is continuous at x equal to 0. This is under case 1. We have another case concerned to x equal to 1. Alright, second case 2. At x equal to 1. So here a equals to 1. Let's find again left hand limit as well as right hand limit. Before that, f of a means f of 1, f of 1 means f of x, where x equal to 1 satisfies. When x equal to 1 satisfies, the equivalent value of function is 0. So f of 1 is 0. Let's find left hand limit and right hand limit. Left hand limit extending to 1 minus f of x. That is limit extending to 1. 1 minus means less than 1. When x is less than 1, here we can observe when x is less than 1, function value is 0. But limit of 0 is 0, so LHL is 0. Let's find RHL. Now right hand limit is equals to limit extending to 1 plus f of x. One plus means more than 1. When x is more than 1, function value is 4x. That is limit extending to 1, 4x. Replace x by 1, 4 into 1, that is 4. What we can observe is that left hand side 0, left hand limit 0, right hand limit 4, they are not equal, so function is discontinuous at x equal to 4, at x equal to 1. Since LHL not equals to RHL, therefore fx is discontinuous. At x equal to 1. So for this function, x equal to 0 is point of continuity, whereas x equal to 1 is point of discontinuity. Means at x equal to 1, there will be a break or gap in the geometrical shape of this function. That's the meaning. Next problem. Next question under this type. And after this, one more type problems we have. And after that, last differentiability, with that our calculus will conclude. Next question. Find A comma B such that the function find A comma B such that the function f of x equals to 3ax plus b, second value 11, third value 5ax minus 2b. First one, if x greater than 1, second one, if x equal to 1, third one, if x less than 1. Find a comma b such that this function is continuous. Continuous, understandably, at x equal to 1, even though it is not mentioned out. So write solution. First you write at again given function, that is separating your solution part. That's understood. Now point to be discussed for continuity is 1, that is a equal to 1. Because of already a is in the problem, not to confuse, you can take alpha. Here alpha equals to 1. Notice that I am not taking a because a is already in the function problem. That's why take it as alpha. Therefore, according to that, f of alpha means f of 1. F of 1 given as 11. We shall find left hand limit and right hand limit. Now, left hand limit means limit extending to 1 minus f of x. That is, limit extending to 1 minus means less than 1. When x is less than 1, function is 5ax minus 2b. Now replace x by 1. On replacing x by 1, 5a into 1 minus 2b, that is 5a minus 2b. Therefore, left hand limit equals to 5a minus 2b. Now we shall find right hand limit. Now, right hand limit RHL equal to limit extending to 1 plus f of x. One plus means more than 1. When x is more than 1, function value is 3ax plus b. That is limit extending to 1, 3ax plus b. Replace x by 1. On replacing x by 1, 3a into 1 plus b, that is 3a plus b. Right hand limit equal to 3a plus b. Since function is continuous, naturally LHL equal to RHL, that is equal to f of a means f of alpha. Next, right? Since f is continuous, therefore f of alpha equal to LHL equal to RHL. F of alpha is 11, LHL is 5a minus 2b, RHL is 3a plus b. And from these equations we have to solve for a and b values. We may call equation 1. Now from 1, what we can have is that 3a plus b equal to 11 as well as 5a minus 2b equals to 11 from 1. We have from 1 we have that 3a plus b equal to 11 call 2. And also from same equation 1 what we have is that 5a minus 2b, that is also equal to 11 call 3. Now let us solve equations 2 and 3. Solving equations 2 and 3 for a and b. Now to solve equation 2 and 3 for a and b, we have to make any one coefficient same, either a or b, but whichever is easier. Already here we have b, here we have minus 2. Better we multiply equation 2 by 2, then we add with equation 3. So now what we shall take is that we shall take equation 2 into 2 plus equation 3. So that we can eliminate b, we can get a, thereby using a we can get b also. Now taking or consider taking equation 2 into 2 plus equation 3. That means we shall multiply equation 2 by 2 correctly. 2 into 3, 6a, 2 into b, 2b, 2 into 11, 22. Whereas the third equation remains same, 5a minus 2b equals to 11. Let's add these equations. On adding these equations, 2b will get cancelled out. 6a plus 5a will be 11a, 22 plus 11 is 33, or a equal to 33 divided by 11, or a equal to 11 ones are 11 threes are, means a equal to 3. Let us use the value of a either in equation 2 or in equation 3 to get the value of b. Now let's use the value of a in equation 2. Using a equal to 3 in equation 2. That is 3 into a means 3 into 3 plus b equal to 11. 3 into 3, 9 plus b equal to 11, or b equal to 11 minus 9, nothing but b equal to 2. So our required values are a equal to 3, b equal to 2. Now write required values are a equal to 3 and b equal to 2. Next problem. Find a comma b such that the function. Find a comma b such that the function. Find a comma b such that the function f of x equals to, defined by three values, phi u, next ax plus b, and another value is 21. Phi u, if x less than or equal to 2, ax plus b, if 2 less than x less than 10, and 21 if x greater than or equal to 10. Find a and b such that this function is continuous. Now it is understood that continuous at 2 points, those points are x equal to 2 and x equal to 10. So let's have two different cases. We shall combine them to determine values of a and b correctly. Let's have solution. First write for this problem the possible points. The possible points are x equal to 2 and x equal to 10. The possible points are x equal to 2 and x equal to 10. Let's have case 1, case 2. Case 1. Case 1 at x equal to 2. So here a equal to 2 now. A means actually not this A, this a particular case A, or I can take alpha equal to 2, no wrong in that. So now f of A means f of 2. F of 2 when x is exactly equal to 2, function value is 5. We shall find left hand limit, right hand limit of this case. Left hand limit. Limit extending to 2 minus f of x. That is limit extending to 2. 2 minus means less than 2. When x less than 2, function is 5. Further, limit of phi is 5, therefore left hand limit equals to 5. We also get right hand limit under this case. Now right hand limit equals to limit extending to 2 plus f of x. That is limit extending to 2. 2 plus means more than 2. When x is more than 2, here it holds. When x more than 2, function is ax plus b. So replace x by 2, 2a plus b. As the function is continuous, obviously LHL must be equal to RHL, since f is continuous. Therefore, LHL equal to RHL. LHL 5, RHL 2a plus b. or 2a plus b equal to 5. Say equation 1. This is under case 1. Still we have another case, second point. Second point is x equal to 10. At x equal to 10, we analyze LHL, RHL, f of 10 value. We will get another equation in terms of a and b, and we shall solve them to determine the values of a and b. Now write second case. Case 2. At x equal to 10. So here in second case a equal to 10. Let's find f of a, that is f of 10. You observe in the given function representation where x equal to 10 satisfies us. When x is greater than or equal to 10, function value is 21. So f of 10 equal to 21. We shall find left hand limit and right hand limit. Left hand limit extending to 10 minus, because in this case a is 10, limit extending to 10 minus f of x. What's the meaning of 10 minus? Less than 10. Here we have less than 10. When x less than 10, function value is ax plus b. So that is limit extending to 10 ax plus b. Now replace x by 10. On replacing x by 10, it will be 10a plus b. This is LHM. We also find right hand limit. Right hand limit equal to limit extending to 10 plus f of x. What's the meaning of 10 plus? More than 10. When x is more than 10, function value is 21. So limit extending to 10, 21. Further, limit of 21 is 21 because limit of constant is constant. This is 21. But match correctly. Don't match f of 10 equal to RHL. Those are equal. That is 21 equal to 21 does not give any information regarding a and b. That's why we shall match LHL, RHL or LHL f of 10. Anything can be taken. Since f is continuous at x equal to 10. Since function f is continuous at x equal to 10, therefore left hand limit must be equal to right hand limit. Left hand limit is 10a plus b, right hand limit is 21. So 10a plus b equal to 21. Call equation 2. Now finally, we shall solve equations 1, 9 to 4 a and b. Now write solving equations 1, 9 to 4 a and b. Next stage, solving 190 for A and B. And for that case, directly we shall subtract 190, because when you subtract 190, B will get cancelled out easily. So we shall subtract 190. Consider equation 1 minus equation 2 or equation 2 minus equation 1 does not make any impact for the result. So let's take equation 2 minus equation 1. This is 10. What is equation 2? 10a plus b equal to 21. What is equation 1? 2a plus b equals to 5. But we are subtracting, minus minus minus. b cancels. 10a minus 2a, 8a. 21 minus 5, 16. So a equal to 16 divided by 8, or a equal to 2. Use a value either in 2 or 1, get the corresponding value of b. Next, using a equal to 2 in equation 1. Next, right? Using a equal to 2 in 1. What it becomes is that 2 into 2 plus b equal to 5. 2 into 2, 4 plus b equals to 5, or b equals to 5 minus 4, or b equals to 1, because 5 minus 4 is 1. Right, lastly, the required values are a equal to 2, b equal to 1. Therefore, the required values are a equal to 2, b equal to 1. Next problem. Next question, again of similar type. Find a comma b such that the function find a comma b such that the function f of x equals to first value x minus 4 divided by modulus of x minus 4 plus a. Second value a plus b. Third value x minus 4 by modulus of x minus 4 plus b. First one, if x less than 4. Second one, if x equal to 4. Third one, if x greater than 4. Find a and b such that this function is continuous at x equal to 4. We first analyze the modulus value, then we shall find the values of a and b. Right, solution. since modulus of alpha defined by two values, first value plus alpha, second value minus alpha plus alpha if alpha positive, second value minus alpha if alpha negative. Therefore, now when x less than 4, when x less than 4, nothing but x minus 4 less than 0. So when x less than 4, mod of x minus 4 equals to minus of x minus 4. Because x less than 4 implies that x minus 4 will be absolutely negative. Next, when x greater than 4, when x greater than 4, modulus of x minus 4 will be just x minus 4. I mean plus x minus 4, because x greater than 4 implies that mod x minus 4, x minus 4 will be positive. Therefore, now f x changes to, now f of x changes to, or f of x becomes this format. F of x equals to now three values. They will not change. X minus 4 divided by, now modulus of x minus 4 for x less than 4 is defined by minus of x minus 4. That is x minus 4 by minus of x minus 4 plus a. If x less than 4. Next, a plus b will remain unchanged. This is if x equal to 4. Then x minus 4 divided by, for x greater than 4, mod x minus 4 is a plus x minus 4 plus b. If x greater than 4. So now function is again changing, or again changes to like this. Therefore now f of x is also equals to, f of x will be given by three values. Here x minus 4 cancel. Here also x minus 4 cancel. The first one gives minus 1 plus a, or a minus 1, or minus 1 plus a can be taken. Next a plus b, and the third value after x minus 4 cancellation we left with 1 plus b, that is b plus 1. If x less than 4, if x equal to 4, if x greater than 4. Now let's find LHL, RHL, and we shall solve subsequent equations for a and b values. Now here alpha equals to 4, because already a is in the problem. Not to confuse that, take alpha equal to 4. Accordingly, that f of alpha means f of 4. F of 4 given as a plus b. Let's find left hand limit and right hand limit. Left hand limit extending to 4 minus f of x. 4 minus means less than 4. When x is less than 4, function value is minus 1 plus a. Limit extending to 4, function value is minus 1 plus a. Minus 1 plus a, nothing but a minus 1. So, left hand limit equals to a minus 1. Next, right hand limit. Right hand limit equal to limit extending to 4 plus f of x. That is limit extending to 4 plus means more than 4. Where x is more than 4, function value is 1 plus b. So limit extending to 4, 1 plus b. Limit of constant is constant, so right hand limit equals to 1 plus b. Since function is continuous, therefore LHL equal to RHL equal to f of a. Mean f of alpha here. Since f is continuous, therefore LHL equal to RHL equal to f of alpha. LHL a minus 1, RHL b plus 1, f of alpha a plus b. Let's solve this equation for a. From 1, we have, what we have is that a minus 1 equal to a plus b. From 1, we have a minus 1 equal to a plus b, and from same 1, b plus 1 equal to a plus b. Here a cancels, here bb cancels, leaving out minus 1 equal to b, here 1 equal to a. Minus 1 equal to b means b equal to minus 1, 1 equal to a means a equal to 1. Therefore, the values are a equal to 1, b equal to minus 1. Our next coming problems concern to finding possible points of continuity or discontinuity. You need to find there are whether 2 points, 3 points, many points for continuity or discontinuity, that we shall analyze in the next class. So next coming one more kind of problems to determine possible points of continuity or discontinuity, we shall see in the next coming part of problems. Thank you.